Hi y'all, welcome back. Wanted to give you a couple updates. I am in beautiful West Virginia. I couldn't pass up the opportunity to sit outside for a little bit and give you a little bit of an update. So, not a whole lot of news. I met with my gastroenterologist in Toledo a couple weeks ago at this point, and he's glad that I'm going to the University of Michigan for their hepatologist and the hepatology department. He agrees that it's, the next step and that they have lots of resources and networks and obviously more patients and maybe some more data, expertise, all the things. So that appointment is in mid-July. He also did, in the meantime, sign me up for a free genetic testing test. That is one that the other PFIC patient had told me about and how she got diagnosed. And since it's free, he was like, absolutely, I'll sign you up. So I believe that's another DNA test. I'll probably get that in the mail, send it off. It takes maybe 5 or 6 weeks to get back. So that would be super exciting because University of Michigan called and my genetic testing appointment with them is not till the end of October. Which is a crazy long time to me, but that's just like their normal scheduling process. And then it's not even for sure that they would do the test. It's an appointment to talk about doing a test. So if I don't even have to do that and I can just do this free test, that would be great. Because the other nice thing about the free test and what's different about the Yale study that I did is this free test, I get the records. So I can take them to any of my medical providers. The Yale test, it's a study, so it's for them. And if they have any information, they'll share it with me. But I do believe that could take up to a year to get. So I'm super excited about this free genetic testing. And I do believe they offer some like genetic counseling and kind of explain to you the results as well. So that's super exciting. And then in about 6 weeks now is the PFIC conference. So looking forward to meeting new people there. I've talked to plenty of people. I actually just talked to, who else did I talk to? Cincinnati Children's Hospital, I believe, this week. I had filled out information for them back in December, and I had forgotten actually, and they reached out via email, asked if I had any questions, so we chatted for a little bit. They couldn't give me exactly what I was looking for because I'm not a patient of theirs, but they did... and I think probably for HIPAA reasons too, but they assured me that University of Miami, that hepatologist, if she couldn't answer all of my questions, that I could schedule a telehealth visit with them because they're in Ohio and I'm in Ohio, so I could technically like become a patient of theirs and then they'd be able to share more information. So that's exciting, and they'll also be at the PFIC conference. So yeah, just some not crazy news, just some updates moving forward with genetic testing. That's the thing that I really want. I'm pretty sure I know what I am. I believe I'm heterozygous ABCB4, which is the gene, and then MDR3 deficient. I don't really know all the ins and outs and what exactly that means, but I believe the kids are homozygous, so they have 2 copies of that gene, and where I think I only have 1 copy of the gene, which is why my condition is a little bit different than theirs. So I don't know, so we'll see if that's true or not. That's just kind of my hypothesis. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for joining me in West Virginia. I'm gonna enjoy the nice weather and the sunshine. Take care.